In this part of the course, we are creating a data pipeline using MapReduce and connecting it to Elasticsearch. Okay, and in order to do it, we will build a Java application using Maven. And the first thing with the Maven project is to create the POM file. Okay, and in this exercise, we will use our Eclipse IDE. And I already have the project created. So let's bring the Eclipse. And in here, you can go under File menu and click on Import, and then import this project ER911 calls. It's part of the code provided with the course. Okay, so once you import this project, open it, and here you can see a file called pom.xml. Okay, now let's open this file. Go to pom.xml tab. Now here you can see the configuration for the Maven. If you are not aware of what Maven is, so Maven is a dependency manager. What it does is, while we are building our data pipeline, we will be using some libraries from Hadoop, some other CSV libraries to parse the input source files. Okay. Now all these libraries have their own versions and they are coming from different sources. Okay. What we can do is, either we can download all these files, put them into our package, and then build everything. And while I'm delivering the same code to you, you will also need to do the same thing. You will also need all those libraries in order to build the project without any errors. Now Maven makes it very easy. In Maven, what I have to do is I just have to specify what all dependencies this project needs. And then I don't need to include those third-party jars into my project before delivering it to you. Okay, so you get the source code and you will just import it into your Eclipse and run it as a Maven project, and Maven will download those libraries on your machine while building the project for you. So this makes it very easy, and you don't need to go and find individual jar files and download those libraries before building. So let's quickly go over it. So here we have few dependencies, and I will quickly go over this. I assume you have a little bit knowledge about setting up how the Maven project is created in Eclipse. I will go over the dependencies and show you what all dependencies we need. So we need Apache Hadoop, and we need a Hadoop core. Okay, the version we have chosen is 1.2.1. Same, we need Hadoop SDFS, version is 2.6. For Elasticsearch, this is the jar file we had downloaded earlier, and we need version 2.1.0. And we also need a CSV library called commons-CSV, and the version we have chosen is 1.1. Okay, so once you have all these dependencies listed, we need to tell how to build this project, and we'll build the project using Maven compiler. We have chosen 3.3 version, and we also need a plugin to build the jar file. And for our job MapReduce to ES, we will use a file called assembly.xml. I'll show you what it does. And here we are specifying the main class for our project, and it is the driver class. We'll go over this class in a little bit. Okay, and the final name of the jar file created, I want it in this pattern. All right, let me quickly show you assembly.xml also. So this is the assembly file. This will actually package everything into the jar file. All our code, source codes, classes, everything will be packaged into a jar file and will be ready for deployment. Okay, in next class I'll show you how to create a MapReduce class. Okay,